Now you copy and paste the thing that you copied from GitHub. When you get the screen, that means all the tokens have been added. So good luck. I'm gonna show you that I got the tokens. See, 510 tokens. And we've now on to 73. Okay, I hope you enjoy this hack, and I'm also gonna record this unboxing the Blizzard pack too. Give me something good already. We finally got a snowman, as you guys can see. I'm gonna show my inventory after this. And we just ran out of tokens, so I'm gonna show you my whole inventory so far. So this is all I have. I have 5 epics. I got a King of Hearts last week. So I have a unicorn, I have a caterpillar, King of Hearts, Brainybot, Narwhal, Chameleon, and of course I have all of these. 11 snow globes, 8 Lily Gibbs, 8 hot cocos. Hope you enjoyed the video.